Welcome to Always Analog, where we celebrate the beauty of analog technology in the digital world. So here's something that was another little stocking stuffer for me. How I managed to get anything for Christmas. I thought I was on the naughty list, but be that as it may, this was part of a Christmas gift, and I wanted to share it with you. And this is a very kind of sort of nondescript box. You can see it's fairly thin, has a couple of notches here to hold so you can remove the top. It's obviously been around for a while. It has an embossment on the top of some kind of flower, perhaps. But in opening the box, it reveals the contents, which is a Scripto mechanical pencil, as well as a box of leads and erasers. So I just thought this was so cool because I, of course, have a number of Scripto pencils, nothing of this age, but I just have it in the box that it came in, and seemingly unused, I thought was just really cool, and I wanted to share it with you. So I have the pencil out, so let's start there. There is an embossment on this pencil that you may or may not be able to make out. I'm trying, there it is. It says number 77 Scripto. And then here, it looks like 20 with a sense, a C with a slash through it, mark. I could be misreading that. It could be a 0 or something. If it was 20 cents, I could see that being probably what this would have cost. Again, no date on anything that I have that I see yet, so I don't know, and I'll ask my pencil pals out there who are better versed with the vintage stuff than I am to maybe put a date on this. It is a reddish orange in color. Not sure how it's coming up on the camera. It may be looking a bit more orangey than red, but it is a red orange, and of course the eraser is hard as a rock. It does have a hexagonal barrel that smooths out here as it tapers towards the front. It becomes really at the point of holding, you sort of lose the hexagonal. I think that is probably there maybe to stop it from rolling. I don't know, although it does have the pocket clip, which sort of serves as a little bit of a kickstand. But the pocket clip is embossed. Again, I don't know if you can read it. Let me bring it up, see if I can focus in. Okay, it says Scripto. You can see that. And I believe it says maybe made in USA there. It does appear to have a lead in it. Let me see it there. Not sure. It's a fairly thick lead. Not sure what the thickness might be. Have to look at the refill box. By the way, here the lead is advanced and retracted by the turning of the ferrule at the top, which I'm pulling off gently. There you go. That's under the ferrule. But this is what's turning right here on the lead. The lead advanced. So, pretty cool, I think. Now, I'm going to try to take this out. So here we have a little box. It's really in there. Don't want to damage anything. So, let's see. So it says, let me focus here. Fits all Scripto pencils bearing numbers which start with 7. Well, we identified this as a 77, so we know these will work. I guess this is a number 91 eraser. Made by the Scripto Manufacturing Company, Atlanta, Georgia, USA. To replace eraser, pull off eraser holder. With point of pencil, push out worn eraser. Insert new eraser. Okay. Well, sounds like there's a few erasers in there. This box is very fragile. I hate to try to open it. Now let's see. Scripto drawing, writing, long leads. Printed in USA, extra strong. I just love the artwork on here. So beautiful. Scripto long leads made in 10 degrees of black and 17 colors. Printed in the USA. Scripto 4-inch standard diameter. There you go. 0.046 inch leads. Made in 2B, there's all the grades, degrees of black. And you can see the number of three different blues. Indelible medium, indelible hard, blue copying, purple copying, heliotrope. Wow. Now I'm trying to see, will this number 1, looks like number 130. Oh, HB. Okay, so that's what we've got here. We've got HB. And there, it's actually a piece of wood with 3 grooves routed in it, and in each groove are 2 leads. Wow, that's cool. Okay, we will put that back in. So the way they made things just blows my mind. So I'm going to assume, since these refill leads here are HB, that there is an HB lead in the pencil to get us started. Let me get a piece of paper, and we will get to writing. Let's see. I don't know. Anybody have any ideas when this is from? Is this from the 40s? Maybe? I don't know. Yeah. Feels very much like an HB. Fairly smooth, though. Just for the heck of it. Again, this is sort of the beauty of the pencil. Assuming this pencil is at least probably 60 years old. Erases very well, too, by the way. Look at that. The instrument still works as intended and designed. So there you go. Had I found a pen from this era, we might have been able to bring it back to life, but chances are it wouldn't write. So, anyways, I just wanted to, again, share this Christmas gift with you all, and thank you for spending some time. This was my opportunity to sort of experience this old Scripto pencil, and I'm glad you could join me for it. So thanks for being a part of this one, and I hope to see you again real soon right here on Always Analog.